As you can see, there's a pile of bikes in this garage. I'd say about 90% of them belong to me. I was thinking about doing a YouTube series where I just go over each and every one of my bikes, because some of them are pretty unique, some of them not so much, but still interesting to look at. So this week I want to start with this Cannondale that I bought as a frame and then built up with mostly just parts that I bought from friends for cheap, or just parts I had laying around the shop, or just inexpensive stuff. Hey guys, so this is me later doing a voice recording for this video. I'm just going to talk about it from behind the computer here and let you know what's up with the bike. So it's a mid-90s Cannondale CAD 3 cyclocross frame. Picked it up for pretty cheap from a local bike shop that was selling it as a built bike, but I talked them into selling it to me without wheels and without some components, just so I could get a little cheaper and build it up with my own slightly nicer components. It's got an aluminum fork with a 1-inch threaded sear tube, but I've got this adapter thing in there so I can put a regular 1 1/8 stem on there. It's kind of ugly, but it works. It's got a specialized stem and rally bars from my other cross bike. It's got SRAM Apex 1x10 with a carbon levered front brake. And that lever operates TRP Euro X magnesium brakes. Got those on closeout from back when I worked at the bike shop with Eric. They were super cheap, super good deal, and they're really nice brakes. Good mud clearance on those too. The wheels are Shimano 600 series tricolor hubs to Mavic CXP30 rims. Those are also about 20 years old, maybe older. Tires are Challenge Chicane. They have a nice slick center and knobby sides, good for like drier cyclocross courses or gravel riding, or just riding around town. The seat is a Pro Logo I got from Eric, generic seat post, and a straight line seat clamp, just because that was what was available to me. Continuing on with the Apex 1x10, I know it says 11 there, but it's set up as 1x10 because it's got a X9 rear mountain bike derailleur with a short cage and an 11-36 cassette. The indexing for SRAM 10-speed mountain bikes was the same as indexing for road SRAM 10-speed, so those road shifters work with the old 10-speed clutch derailleurs from SRAM. So that was just a quick look at my, I'm not sure what year it is, 1998-ish Cannondale CAD 3 cyclocross bike. Hope you liked it. Let me know which bike you want me to feature next. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.